So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I'm going to discuss with you three job roles that Amazon has floated on its website, in which if you are a fresher or an experienced candidate you can apply. So in this video we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria for these roles, the job description and the interview rounds. And in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on job opportunities, interview preparation, and course content. So let's start off today's video with the first opening that Amazon has floated, which is of a catalog specialist in the department of RBS. So first of all, let us look at the eligibility criteria. For this, you need to have a bachelor's degree, but it could be in any discipline. You need to have strong written and verbal communication skills in English. You need to have strong business communication skills, which means ability to communicate with internal and external stakeholders clearly and concisely. You also need to have good skills in Microsoft Excel. So, if you don't have, you can learn, but please learn Microsoft Excel properly if you want to apply for this position. Next, you need to have familiarity with using the internet. So next we move on to the business unit in which this opportunity exists, which is the retail business services or the RBS. So basically retail business service is an integral part of Amazon online product lifecycle and buying operations. The team is designated to ensure Amazon remains competitive in the online retail space with best price, wide selection, and good product information. So, in case you haven't understood, this is the main Amazon website page where you can see a lot of products that are there, like electronic products are there, clothing are there. So, this is their retail online business, and you will be a catalog associate for this particular branch. So for that you will have to design catalog for each product where you will have to tell them about its specifications, etc. Now we move on to the job description. In this role, you will work on one or more critical programs or tasks for a particular retail product category. So one product category will be given to you. As an example, if clothing is one product category, then in clothing also there are separate categories like men's clothes, women's clothes, children clothes. So you could be given children's clothes category, and then you will have to work specifically on that category only. So next job description, these tasks include populating content for the product catalogs on the Amazon website, interacting, coordinating with vendors, manufacturers, identifying and correcting errors, complaints, maintaining records of work received and work performed. So you will have to manage the catalog of this product, and you have to coordinate with the vendors and manufacturers also who are giving that product, so that you can know about the specifications of the product and if there is any error in the catalog. Next is the individual is expected to perform these tasks by using fair judgment in understanding instructions provided by the process lead or manager. So you will be working under the process lead or manager who will instruct you about the job responsibilities that are required. Next position is catalog associate again, but this is for IMDb division. So in case you do not know, IMDb is basically a website in which ratings for movies and TV serials is given, and this IMDb is also a product of Amazon.com only. So you will be working for this division, and the eligibility criteria is almost similar. You need to have a bachelor's degree in any discipline, strong communications in English, analytical and logical reasoning skills, basic computer knowledge, and MS Office. So for this one, you need not to be having very proficient skills in Microsoft Excel, but you should be familiar with MS Office tools. Next, we move on to the job description. Here you will have to perform tasks related to content for the IMDb catalog quality, such as checking and or fixing metadata, performing quality checks on content and image, Editorial writing with entertainment industry knowledge to source content from studios, movie sites, etc. The associate will be required to use various tools and systems to perform the above tasks and capture data on a daily basis to meet the team individual productivity and quality goals. The task will primarily be repetitive in nature and will require the individual to make judgment based decisions by referring to guidelines provided in the SOP. And friends, in case you do not know what an SOP is, an SOP is basically means standard operating procedure, which is basically a document that provides clear-cut directions and instructions as to how teams and members within an organization must go about completing certain processes. So this was about SOP, and the last job description is the individual will also need to identify and report any processes, tool related issues if and when they arise. Next, moving on to the third position that they have floated, which is catalog associate in their music division. So, if you are not aware, Amazon also has a music division known as Amazon Music. So, this one is a catalog associate for their music division. And the eligibility criteria for this is again bachelor's degree in any discipline, strong written and verbal communication skills in English. Minimum Excel knowledge is preferred, so you don't need to be a professional in Excel, but some knowledge in Excel is required. And you should also have passion for listening to music, because here you will have to listen to music all day and work on that. Lastly, you should also have some analytical and logical reasoning skills. Now, moving on to the job description, your primary responsibility will be to perform quality checks on English language digital content while listening to and to identify errors as well as validating errors reported by various systems and customers. Associate needs to continuously adapt to and learn the new features of various tools and systems and improve on their acumen to identify and report the errors. They have to follow SOP to catch errors in the content. So again here you will also be provided an SOP. Based on that you will have to work. The associate will also need to often contact publishers and vendor managers to report errors identified and provide status update as and when required. The associate must be able to pay close attention to minute details. You will also be required to work with headsets in the majority of the work time. So you will so consider that you will have to listen to audios and music related audios almost all day. So you should be prepared for that. Now moving on to the interview rounds. The interview rounds for all the three catalog associate or catalog specialist roles are same. They generally conduct first an aptitude test, which consists of your English skills and your reasoning skills. So, in reasoning skills, you will have mathematical types of questions in ratios, percentages, these kind of questions, and then there will be a face-to-face interview. So I am definitely going to upload a video shortly within 2 days regarding the aptitude test as well as the face-to-face interview questions as well as draft replies. So in case you are interested for this position, just wait for a couple of days. I will upload a video on interview rounds. It will be a detailed video. And the job location for these all three roles will be Chennai. But you can apply if you live anywhere in India, but you should be ready to relocate to Chennai whenever they want to call you. And the salary range, however, it is not mentioned on their page. I have seen on the internet that it is usually 3 to 5 lakhs per annum if you are a fresher and want to apply for these positions. So, friends, if you want to apply for any of these positions, I have given the link in the description box for all of these three positions. If you click that link, you will be redirected to Amazon's website where you can see these openings like this one, Catalog Associate, and you can read the complete job description, qualification details. I have already explained them to you in brief. And then, if you feel it is suitable for you, you can just click on Apply Now. When you will click Apply Now, you will be redirected to this page where you will have to log in And if you don't have an Amazon Jobs account, you will have to create one. But friends, here note that if you have a normal Amazon account also, you can apply for this position with your Amazon account by clicking here if you already have one. Okay. So friends, I hope this video has been useful to you, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get job updates in quickest possible time. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.